SIP-Trunk is a long-term replacement for the ISDN network. It's a complementary form of VoIP, so in basic terms it allows you to make calls over the IP network. Businesses should be interested because it's the way technology is going and there's so many benefits to take advantage of. The main benefits of SIPs that everyone gets interested in initially is the cost. We can have cheaper line rentals, cheaper minutes than what are on ISDN. But then when you actually drill down to it, it's actually more feature rich. So you can have full disaster recovery, you can have a national presence, so any local number you can present out. If you're wanting to move site, you can take your number with you, whereas on the traditional ISDN network you'd struggle and may even risk losing your main business number, which you've had for years. It's fully scalable, so if you wanted additional lines, more concurrent calls, if you found you were getting a busy tone, you'd be able to instantly ring us and we'd be able to add one to your account straight away. So you'd be able to increase the number of calls coming in and out of your business, and that would only take seconds, whereas with the ISDN network or the analog network it would take weeks and have a high cost of install, but that's been eradicated now. So it's more efficient, lower cost and more feature rich. Also, there's never been a better time to change to SIP-Trunks with the announcement from BT Openreach that the ISDN network will be shut down by 2025. It's a positive thing if you ask me, because it's going to show an improvement of service to the clients. It can sometimes be a little bit scary. You think, oh, my network's getting shut down, but it's not. It's just a little friendly nudge in the right direction so you can, like I say, experience the benefits that we've mentioned already and start saving and start having a more feature-rich system. Well, SIP-Trunk Call Manager is actually a really great product. It's a Lily solution that we can offer on the SIP-Trunk platform, which allows us to offer things such as disaster recovery, instant diverts, which are fully controllable by a web portal for the end user. So for the customer themselves, if they wanted to nip out on the lunch, they can go onto the portal and place a divert. But the most powerful tool on that is the disaster recovery. We can have automatic disaster recovery, so it's constantly pinging your site, and if anything ever happened there where your net went down, or your broadband went off, or even someone crashed into your building, the SIP-Trunk Call Manager would know to automatically kick in the disaster recovery call routing plan. So before you even knew you had a problem, it would go to the disaster recovery route. So maybe ring a mobile or multiple mobiles or another office you may have, but that's automatic and instantaneous. So you would have no downtime, and we can almost guarantee you won't miss a call with SIP-Trunk Call Manager. One of the other benefits of SIP-Trunk Call Manager is we can queue an unlimited amount of calls in the cloud. So if you had a really busy period and you didn't have enough staff to handle the calls, no one will ever get a busy tone, it will queue. And we can play a comfort message saying, sorry, all our agents are busy right now, you can call back, or alternatively, please hold, and then it will hold and queue an unlimited amount of calls. So like I say, it's really impossible to miss a call with SIP-Trunk Call Manager.